ha kini ki khndet ngai Nagaland National General Secretary ka AITC Abhishek Banerjee ula kynthoh habui de bat Menteri Rangba ka jylla Conrad sangma la liang kinong tho khobor habui kendo bat Conrad sangma habui ki kelai la wen ya bun penpau habui de bur jong kynthoh jong National General Secretary la liang Menteri Rangba ulaong bu UN bon ki kam bun pendep bot UN pori bun sngap ya kita ki jong kynthoh ulaong bu UN yari bun kynthoh namar ubon kam bun chir ya ki kam ki jam kubui de bot ka jylla.
I was quite busy with so many works. I really don't know.
But do you agree with him when he said that
I really
is running a proxy government? So that is.
As I said, I have no comments. I have not read the comments. I don't know. I don't know about his visit. I don't know about his. No, I don't know. Seriously, I don't know.
So how would you like to react to
I have no comments. I have no comments. I think we run a state. We have a lot of work to do, and I don't think there is any reason for me to comment on all comments that are made by people. So really, it doesn't. It's not of my concern. Anybody's free in democracy to make their comments. They make their comments at their own will. I don't think I need to get into that. I have a lot of things to do, and I think these issues need to be resolved, and that's what we're working on. So really, I don't have any comments on.
How can you digest it?
I don't need to digest anything. I'm not commenting also, and nothing. As I said, I have work to do. I am doing my work with my full commitment towards the people. That's all that matters to me.